Good morning, Woodland Warriors. I miss you all. To my lower school friends, please know that I miss our high fives, our fist bumps, and our hugs. I want to reassure you all that although the world has changed, we are still a community, and all of your teachers, learning specialists, and administrators are still here to support you. Take a deep breath, relax, and although it's very different, it will all work out. Middle and upper school. You'll be seeing this video on Friday, and Friday is our first day of Zoom classrooms. Purpose is to provide an orientation to Zoom. Then next week we are at it full time. Be sure to follow your schedule and attend all of your classes. Set up your own workspace in your home and reach out if you need help. Finally, be good to yourself. Get plenty of sleep, hydrate, and each day get outside for some activity. We have some birthday wishes this week. We missed one last week, last Friday, the 27th of March. Happy belated birthday wishes to Thomas Rao. And coming up this Sunday, April 5th, happy birthday to Beckett Pavetto. And I'm going to leave you with a quote to think about. Worry is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but never gets you anywhere. Make it a great day, everybody.